last year was a hard one to top. Hauntbuster was one of our most popular themes ever. With Five Nights at Freddy's coming out last year, I thought, well, that might be a good way to go because that kind of plays to the retro aspect, but it also plays to kids more. It's one of the most popular online video games ever. So came up with Gordy's. It kind of mixes the two worlds, the retro, our mascot, all into one. And you have the neon and like the arcade machines. It's just kind of craziness in there. It's a lot of work because it's not only that you're competing against the corn and the water, it's also just the size and the scope. And Gordy's is also the biggest area. It's the biggest individual area out of all the 6 haunted houses that we have. So it was a challenge, but I think ultimately it paid off. They kind of find the middle ground where they'll roam around the corn, or we kind of tell them which pockets are best and all that kind of stuff. We also plan like the actors to be before and after the areas. We have them dressed up as those themes. So if we have a kind of a light night with actors, we can place them better so it's not too thin. Kind of shop around for the best deal, you know. It's 800 movies individually in the lobby of the store, and they're all different movies, every single one.